Hi everyone, we got ourselves a fresh to the floor 2024 Road Glide with a whole lot of goodies on it. This is vivid black with chrome finish. As we work to the front, we have the full Öhlins inverted forks on the front end with the Brembo radial mount calipers, the new LED W light for the Road Glides, and the new style fairing. This does have a stage 2 kit in it. So it's got the intake, and then this also has the Screaming Eagle Stage 2 cam in there with the Screaming Eagle titanium exhaust. ABS security, cruise control, traction control, cornering ABS, cornering traction control. It's got that big old 12.3-inch screen running the Skyline operating system. Of course, the adjustable ride modes, which is on a push of a button right there. So you have a rain mode, road mode, and a sport mode. That inverted front end is fully adjustable as well. Coming around to the back side to complement the front, having the Öhlins inverted front end, we also have the Öhlins piggybacks on the back as well. So you can adjust your rebound and dampening on those shocks. This bike is a sweet. Who doesn't like a 117 cubic inch motor? And then of course with a cam upgrade. Come on down and check it out. Vandervest Harley-Davidson. We're at 1966 Velp Avenue in Green Bay, Wisconsin. If you have questions about the bike or would like to schedule an appointment to come and see it, give us a call at 920-498-8822.